Hey you guys, it's Kimberly, McKenna, and Sage, and we're going to show you how to make a stop motion. And yes, we know we have already made a video on how to make a stop motion, but we found out that that video wasn't so helpful. So we're making this one because a lot of people asked which movie maker we use, or how do you make them blink, or how do you make them move. So this one is going to be a little more detailed. By the way, this is just part 1 of how to make a stop motion. Part 2 is uploading all the pictures and putting it all together. So, the very first thing and the most important thing of making a stop motion is your camera. This one's mine. And you also need a tripod. For the girls that don't have tripods, you could use boxes, just like American Girl boxes. So you're going to start by putting the camera on top of the tripod or the box. I'll be camera person. Then you're going to put your doll wherever you want to start the video at. I'll be the actress. I guess that leaves me to uploading all the pictures. The first thing you're going to want to do is try to find where you want the video to start. Probably your doll sleeping, or maybe she could be on the ground. That would be weird though. Or, you know, she could be sitting down in a chair, or she could be in the kitchen, if you have a kitchen, or you could go like this, or, you know, it depends on how you want to start the video. So we're going to start the video just like this. Now, to make them move, you're going to take a picture of them just like this. And then you're going to move her hand a little bit. And take another picture. Move her hand a little bit more, take a picture. Move her hand a little bit, take a picture. And then you keep on going until, you know, you want it to stop. So, to make them blink, you're going to take her eyelashes and put them under her eye, just like that. And you could do the same with the other eye, unless you want them to blink. So now we're going to show you how to walk. Well, of course you know how to walk, but how your dolls to walk. So you're just going to take a picture of your doll where, you know, you want her to start. And then you're going to move her a little bit. I mostly try to make footprints in the carpet and then move my doll half of her footprint. And then just take a picture, move her a little bit, take a picture, move her a little bit, take a picture, and you just keep on going until she's at her destination that you want her to be. To make them stand up, it might be a little tricky for you to just do it, let her do it by herself. You're gonna have to hold her head. So, in order for you not to get your hand in the picture, just push the put the camera down so the camera won't take a picture of your hand. And then you just hold her head, pull it up, take a picture, you know, do it a little bit, and then you can do that until she's stood up. Now to make your dolls do a pyramid, just like in Sparkle, Spirit, and Style music video, what you're gonna do is, how about I show you? So what you're gonna do is put 2 dolls together and take, of course, one other one, and make the 2 dolls on the bottom have their hands crossed, and make sure that they are laying on a wall so they won't fall over, because this can be a little tricky. And then you're going to put the doll that is going to be the flyer, that's what it's called, and then you're going to put them between their shoulders. She can't really hold on, but then just like Kimberly's hands moved in Sparkle, Spirit, and Style music video, you're just gonna put her hands up, and then you're gonna move them a little bit, just like that. And you can move both of them at the same time if you want to, or she could do, like, you know, a little cheer or chant, whatever, on top of the pyramid, and just keep on doing that until, you know, you're at the point where, you know, you just want it to you want her to like stop moving her hands or something like that. Now, just like the music that's playing in the background right now is on our website. And in my description, I'll have the name of the website so you can go there and get some music too. Now, this music is mostly used in Basil Mentos American Girl movies, or Aquila 1998, or American Girl 077, or, well, you get the point. So you could go ahead and go to the website and you can get some music too. It's actually pretty cool, and all of them are for free. So then, stay tuned for part 2 on how to make a stop motion. You forgot that part. Yeah, I know.